Well, we're going to do the Beehive since the precipice was closed because of the peregrine falcons, but we're going to give her a shot. We're, I don't know, 15 minutes into the dang thing. Here we go.
All the way up there?
Yeah, huh? You can see the people on it.
Well, it says Beehive Trail is only 3/10 of a mile, but
Let's go.
they're gone. Where are they?
Yeah, they're down a little bit. If you go up that face.
Oh, I can see them.
I'm looking for people. There's people up there somewhere.
Right up there. They're like taking a little trail.
Somewhere up there's people. I just saw them. That's where we're going.
No, Ben.
Really?
Benny, wait. Go ahead, Mercy.
Ben, what'd I tell ya?
Wait, I gotta take a picture real quick.
We'll be up higher.
We have to go across that bridge. We are partway up the mountain. This is it.
Well, I saw them. Yeah, must be around.
That's our path we gotta take. And then there's down.
Rest,
Ben, wrist, get away from the edge. And there's that little walkway we came across.
It's like,
Stay close to the edge.
Well, this is where the path has brought us. Up, over. We need to get up there. That's where we're going next. Following this path.
Don't you dare. Just stand there for a second. Benny, where are you?
right here. It's like, oh, I'm here.
Okay.
Wait, Ben, wait.
Phew.
Ben, wait.
I'm scared now. Can I take off my sweater?
No, stop, Ben.
Like you're walking on the moon.
You're so high. There's Earth. Say hello to it. Higher. Okay, yo, like.
No, get.
Nope, we're gonna see what areas.
Piece of cake, huh?
We'll be probably turning around ourselves.
Yeah.
Stop,
I wanna
stop.
that. Let's go, Dad. Let's go, boy. Let's get your baby down.
Hey, not a place to be screwy, buddy.
Why are you taping me? Herbie's scared.
Holy crap.
Where's Benny?
Benny's up here.
Yeah, this is the hard.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Stop, stop. Still gotta go up there.
What's Nova Scotia?
That's up by, I'll show you on the map. It's up by where we're going tomorrow or the next day.
Campbell?
Yep, up by there.
Are we gonna take it?
No.
Come on, Nelly Man.
Well, we made it. We're
This way. Salon in Maine.
walking our way out of here.
Ben,
Is
wait.
Salon in Maine?
Yep.
Is Campbell in Maine? Dynamite.
No, Campobello is an island.
Like this. See how his blue in it?
Will they see how they're changing the color of it?
See his red right there.
Guess I gotta get going.
Ben,
Stay there. Well, we're on our way down.
don't jump this
We're
time.
taking the bowl trail. Go ahead, Gene.
That's a huge knothead or something.
That's huge Knothead Mountain. But we're down the bowl trail trying to get back down from climbing up the side.
Slow down, slow down. Are you getting this? Holy smokes. Alright?
I never get you in the video bike because you hurry too much. Stay right there. Don't go ahead of me. Come on down, Mama.
Mamma mia! Mamma mia, mia. Shka.
Slow down. Yeah, we're pretty much done with this son of a gun. We beat it.
We went up it and we came down.
I don't see anybody up it.
No. People get to that one point and they turn around.
Well, yeah.
It didn't seem that bad, did it?
No, Ben just kind of goes. Riz has a little fear of death in her.
Oh yeah, Rissy has. Yeah. Oh, here's the bowl.
Well, that's where we went. I need to sit down. I'm swaying on an angled. Sorry.